Hello friends, today the talk is about a well-known vegetable to all of us, that is cucumber. This is actually an biologically proved evidences shown in this discussion, which are based on the studies as said in this slide. And the cucumber, its biological name is Cucumis sativus, and it belongs to the same family of melons and pumpkins. It is an easily cultivable crop domestically, and since we have the terrace farmings and all, it is easily cultivable in a very organic way in our homes itself. And as we all know, it is a good appetizer along with other vegetables due to its flavor and texture. And scientists say that it is good if we take it 20 to 30 minutes before meal. And it is a proven highly water content vegetable with 96.2% water, and a very low in calories, which helps in weight loss. And also there is no serious pest infestations associated with this vegetable. And the constituents of this vegetable are cucurbitacin A, B, C, D, curcumin A and B, vitexin, isovitexin, which are all actually flavonoids, and orientin and isorientin. And the pharmacological activities of cucumis, according to the study done in Kolkata University of Agriculture, it is shown to have antioxidant activity, anti-wrinkling and anti-aging activity of the skin, antimicrobial, antiparasitic, anti-diabetic, hypolipidemic and ulcer protective also. And as a fresh fruit, we doctors recommend it to have 1 to 2 cucumbers, either fresh or as a juice daily. It helps in nourishing the skin with a good soothing effect on the skin irritations, and it reduces swelling also if applied topically. It is a good hemostatic and helps to reduce the hyperdipsia, especially in summer times, and it's also thermoplegic, and the seeds helps in preventing the constipation. And this is a new invention by a study done in Saudi by Aman Adnan Tuama et al. Other authors. They proved that it has the cucumber leaf extracts have good effect against a breast cancer cell line, that is MCF7, and HeLa human prostate cancer cell lines. So it is also good to have the cucumber leaf extracts added to some pinch of salt at least weekly once. And the other health benefits includes its use in digestive system. It has an enzyme called as erepsin, which helps to break down complex proteins, and that's why they use this as salads along with some non-vegetarian diets. It is a good fiber source and water source, and helps in constipation. Helps to relieve constipation. And it is also good in cardiovascular health, as it has much potassium content. So it is also helpful in reducing the blood pressure, and also it is proven to have positive impact on nerve impulse, muscle contractions and heart health. It is a good constituent in skin care and hair care. Skincare, it helps in anti-aging and anti-wrinkling, and it's the cucumber extracts are also used as facials at least weekly once. And also it has vitamins called biotin and silica, which helps to have a radiant skin. And in hair growth also it has a good benefit due to the sulfur and silicon contents in it. Also it helps in eliminating bad breath and healthy gums. It is used to treat UTIs and renal stones. Also it has a flavonoid called as camphorol, which has an anti-cancerous activity. It also helps in weight loss due to the low calories and a good appetizer. So this is all about the video of cucumber. Have a healthy tomorrow. Thank you. Keep supporting us.